love the Camille Rose Curl Maker, but I also love the Doux 808 base gel. And if you're on the hunt for a new drugstore botanical gel, keep on watching because we are doing a side-by-side comparison to see which one is worth your coin. Hello friends, and welcome to my channel where we talk about hair care for your natural curls. My name is Irena, and in today's video we are going to be doing a side-by-side comparison or a botanical gel battle so that we can choose and I can choose which one I am repurchasing for this summer because they are nearly empty. So if you also need some help in deciding which one is the best to purchase, then keep on watching. Let's start with some leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using the Umberto Giannini banana butter, and I am gonna go for about this much per section, and I have divided my hair in two, so it's only 2 sections. This smells so good. I love this leave-in conditioner because it leaves my hair feeling really soft and easy to detangle, and I am making sure to put the same leave-in conditioner all over to level the playing field. I'm gonna brush all this goodness throughout my hair so that it is more evenly distributed. Now that my hair is all divided, we are going to be applying the Curl Maker on this side and the 808 base gel on this other side. Let's start with the Camille Rose side. The Camille Rose Curl Maker has been one of my favorite gels for ages. I absolutely love how easy it is to use and how lovely it makes my hair feel. I have to say that since trying the base gel, I've been spoiled by the pump, because the pump on the Curl Maker is just not really that great in comparison to the base gel. I'm gonna show you what I mean to see how much larger it is, and it pumps a lot more product. I love how this, to me, smells just like American sweets. They both give a lot of slip to the hair, which is great because they are both packed with great humectants. The base gel has been a much more recent discovery. I have absolutely loved them both. They both have flexible hold and they're very good at definition. The main thing I want to prove with this battle is which one gives the most longevity. So I can't wait to know which one is going to give me better hold and more longevity. What makes a botanical gel botanical is that they are styling products which are typically plant-based and water-soluble, unlike more traditional gels or synthetic gels, which are typically made from synthetic ingredients. Some of those ingredients are even derived from petroleum, or you can find sometimes a combination of them too. My favorite gel that combines most of the goodness of a botanical gel, but it also has that synthetic punch that allows your style to hold for even longer. It's gonna be the Avida Curly Coil Definer Gel. I absolutely love this. I think it is the best middle of both worlds. It always pains me to love it so much because it's so pricey. The price of that gel is one of the reasons why I try to veer more towards drugstore or chemist-based products, because they're a lot more affordable, so you don't feel any pangs in your stomach when you use them. But because most botanical gels don't have very strong holding agents, a lot of curlies, especially those with tighter curls, prefer to use them as a base gel because they are great at locking in moisture and in turn giving you really great definition. And then they will use a topper gel or synthetic gel with stronger holding agents. If you have looser curls or wavy hair, then you can usually get away with only using a botanical gel for your wash and goes more than tighter curls or coily hair. But you might still want to use a hairspray or a mousse or even also a topper gel. Some good toppers for botanical gel are this that I am going to put on the screen so that you can perhaps experiment if you haven't ever. But today we are sticking to the botanical gel test. You'll find that the Camille Rose Curl Maker has coconut oil in it. So if you are sensitive to that, perhaps this is not the best for you. But there is that to bear in mind. The Curl Maker is glycerin free. And that's one of the reasons why it is one of my favorite summer gels. Because the base gel has been quite a recent purchase. I haven't tried in summer before. So it'll be interesting to see how it works. I'm going to put this out of the way. It's been really hot and really muggy here, so it's really the best time to try the whole capabilities of the base gel. Let's finish the base gel side. The base gel, even though it has glycerin, it is coconut oil free. The ingredients that they do have in common that they are packed with aloe vera. Both have marshmallow root extract and slippery elm. They are some of my favorite film forming ingredients. They help you with definition, they help you with moisture, they help you with your hair health. That's one of the reasons why I love botanical gels. Do you have a favorite botanical gel? If so, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna microplug in another section of the towel, and then I'm just going to glaze a little bit of each gel on each side and scrunch that in. And I am doing the same with the curl maker side. I'm gonna go and diffuse and I'll be right back. So here's my hair, fully diffused and completely dry. Both sides have a soft cast and I can see very little difference between one side and the other right now. So let's break the cast and see if we can see more of a difference. I am going to use the Absolute Repair Oil by L'Oreal. 1 pump per section. Onto the other side. Let's invite some volume. I have to say that it is really difficult to choose a better side right now. I feel that the base gel gives me more definition than the curl maker, where my curls are a little bit more elongated. I think it's worth mentioning as well that on the base gel side, it feels that my hair has a lot more grit. I find that the products that give you that grit usually give you more volume than products that make your hair really, really smooth. On that case, it really boils down to preference. Are you a volume girl or just a define and control girl? We'll definitely see you tomorrow for our day 2 check-in, and we will be closer to passing judgment. Welcome to day 2. As predicted, there is a little bit more volume than yesterday, but that's absolutely normal. And both sides are looking really pretty. But I have to say that even though the Camille Rose Curl Maker has been one of my favorite gels for a very long time, in this battle, the Doux side is looking a lot better. My curls are a bit more elongated on the curl maker side, but the difference is not that crazy either. The definition on the Doux side, I'm going to give you a little close up so that you can see both sides. This is the Camille Rose side. As you can see, it's looking really pretty and there is really little to critique. It's beautiful. But this is the Doux side. Look at those ringlets. The definition, it's a lot better. It's a lot more bouncy, slightly more voluminous, and just overall nicer. And I am not that loyal to one brand or another, but it kind of pains me to move Camille Rose to the side and open the gates to the Doux as probably my new favorite botanical gel. And I think it's the one that I'm going to be repurchasing for this summer. I'm so sorry, Camille. I keep saying Camille because I live in France and that's how you would pronounce this name. But I think in English it should be Camille. And I have been saying Camille all throughout all of my Camille Rose videos. So perhaps I should say Camille. Do you understand when I say Camille? Another benefit of preferring the Doux side is that the Doux gel is actually more affordable than the Camille Rose, at least here in Europe. So another win. I will give you an update on day 3 and 4 on TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you are following me there too to not miss it. I will leave the links in the description down below, as well as the links for all the products that I've used on this video. Please make sure you like this video and then you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my channel with a friend so we can reach even more people together. Having said all that, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next week. Bye bye guys.